Estimating using scientific notation. 4.23 times 10 to the power of negative 5. Let's say we're going to multiply that number by 2.99 times 10 to the power of 2. Okay, so what we're going to try to do is estimate the answer. 4.23 rounds to approximately 4, and 2.99 rounds to approximately 3. 3 is pretty close to 2.99. So we'll put our base 10 powers there because they don't go away. Okay, so now we have a question that looks like this because we're just trying to estimate. So really, we're estimating. We will rewrite and we'll take our values, our numbers 4 by 3 here, and then we'll work out what the exponent is by multiplying our powers over here. 4 times 3 is 12. 10 to the power of negative 5 times 10 to the power of 2. We add these exponents. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. This is times 10 to the power of negative 3. This is not in scientific notation. We need to have a digit, a decimal, and then however many after. So we can rewrite 12 in scientific notation as 1.2 times 10 to the power of something. We simply have to work out what the exponent is so that when we multiply here by this, we get 12. In this case, it's 1. Right? Having a 1 here means we're making it larger. We'll be moving the exponent 1 position over to here, and that will give us 12. So that's 12 rewritten, and then we multiply by 10 to the power of negative 3. Again, we have base 10, so we will, and we're multiplying them, so we'll add the exponents. Okay, so 1 plus negative 3 is negative 2. So 1.2 times 10 to the power of negative 2. This is our estimate of the answer for this question here. Let's do one with division. 3.89 times 10 to the power of 7. And we'll divide that by 8.10 times 10 to the power of 2. So we'll estimate these numbers. 3.89 is close to 4. And 8.0 is close to 8. All right, we've estimated this one and this one. So first, we'll do this. We'll divide 4 by 8. This is what we'll do first. And 4 divided by 8 is a half, or 0.5. Then we multiply that by 10 to the power of 7 divided by 10 to the power of 2. Here we have base 10, and we're dividing one by the other. So to get the answer, we take the exponent and we subtract 2 from 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So right now we have 0.5 times 10 to the power of 5. This is not in scientific notation because we need a digit here other than 0, followed by a decimal and some amount of numbers. So we can rewrite this as 5.0, and then we need to multiply it by 10 to the power of some exponent, which will give us 0.5. Okay, to do that, to make this value right here 0.5, we need to move the decimal to the left 1 position. We want to move the decimal to the left 1 position. And to do that, we have an exponent of negative 1. That will move the decimal. This will make this smaller by a factor of 10, which will give us 0.5. And we will multiply that by 10 to the power of 5. Now we have base 10 multiplying by another base 10 number. So to get the answer, we add the exponents. So negative 1 plus 5 is 4. 5.0 times 10 to the power of 4 is our estimate for a solution to this original problem.